Most people love a fresh from scratch, fluffy, and well-cooked waffle. Unfortunately, many of us only associate enjoying one with having to go out to a restaurant or cafe. But did you know that there are fantastic machines that can give you gourmet-style waffles from the comfort of your own kitchen? If you want fresh waffles, Keith Richardson of Keith's Chicken and Waffles in Daly City, California, tells us that there really is no way to do it without a waffle maker. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 waffle makers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DMW-B001 AC Waffles. A 4-inch cooking surface helps Dash's mini waffle maker machine to produce mini waffles. While it yields smaller waffles, in testing we found that they are still hearty, measuring half an inch thick. This simple option includes one indicator light on the top to let you know that it is preheated, but there are no other indicators that let you know the status of your waffle. However, it does have other features that we like, such as an easy-to-lift handle to keep your fingers safe. It also heats up faster than any other waffle maker on our list, taking just 2 minutes and 20 seconds. This mini waffle maker comes with the ability to make your waffles in specific shapes, such as a heart or bunny. The result, in our testing, is a simple device that comes in fun colors and is able to make single servings and dessert waffles. Number 2. Cuisinart WMR Cap 2 Round Classic Waffle. Making delicious waffles at home shouldn't have to break the bank, and Cuisinart's WMR CA Round Classic Waffle Maker is proof of that. We found the cook settings of this option to be intuitive and there were noticeable differences in the finished product between all of the settings. In terms of functionality, this waffle maker features a light indicator when it is ready to be used and another indicator to let you know when your waffle is fully cooked. The waffle maker features a weighted lid and rubber feet to keep everything firmly in place during use. Like the other Cuisinart option on our list, it comes with a 3-year warranty to leave your purchase protected, but, unlike the other option, it does feature cord storage underneath. Do note that while the grids fill evenly when pouring the batter, we found them to brown the finished waffles somewhat unevenly, leaving the waffles a bit pale around the edges. Number 3. Cuisinart Mini Belgian Waffle Maker. For delicious Belgian waffles from home, Cuisinart's Belgian Waffle Maker is our pick. In testing, we found it to do a good job of heating up quickly and evenly, with a 4-minute heat up time. A simple beep lets you know that it is preheated, and once the waffle is done a ready light will alert you. This option features 6 settings and the grates are 1 inch deep to produce the thicker style associated with Belgian waffles. While it takes the batter of one large traditional Belgian waffle, they separate into 4 quadrants when you remove them from the tray. Where this option really stands out to us was in its ease of cleaning. In testing, we found that it does a great job of not spilling over the sides and none of the batter really lingers in the non-stick coated grids. Number 4. Cuisinart Mini Belgian Waffle Maker. Combining unique design, ease of cleaning, price, and variable heat adjustability helps solidify Cuisinart's vertical waffle maker as our pick for the best waffle maker overall. The vertical design of this option enables it to include a spout to fill, and in testing, we found it to be easy to clean as it had no spillage areas. In terms of functionality, this option takes 4 minutes to preheat. An audible beep lets you know when this device is ready to be used and it beeps 5 times with a green light when it's done to let you know your waffle is ready. Other features of this product that we found valuable are the locking handle, the non-stick baking plates, and a limited 3-year warranty. Worth noting, though, is that it will require slightly more batter for a perfectly browned waffle. We found that 3/4 of a cup produced a more even waffle than 2/3 of a cup. Number 5. Disney Mickey Mouse Mike 62 Waffle Maker. For some added fun in the kitchen, we highly recommend the Mickey Mouse Double Flip Waffle Maker as the best waffle maker for kids. The waffles actually come out in the shape of Mickey Mouse's face. This waffle maker comes with the ability to flip, which we found it to do quite easily, and the faces release very well and do not stick. It comes with a power indicator light and it beeps 6 times to let you know that it is preheated. Some drawbacks to note with this option include that it requires some added work to properly spread the batter onto the design. Also, we found there to be some inconsistency in heat levels within the batches. Additionally, while it only takes 2.5 minutes to preheat, we found that adjustments between heat settings don't happen very quickly. Dimensions: 8 by 14 by 8 inches, weight, 7.75 pounds. Power, 1400 watts. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.